All right, third graders, we will today model and record multiplication with multiples of 10. Okay, now read the problem.
The community center offers 4 dance classes. If 30 students sign up for each class, how many students sign up for dance class altogether?
Okay, how many equal groups are there in this problem, Tyson? You guys agree?
Yes.
Okay, how many are in each group, boys and girls?
30.
You guys agree?
Yes.
Okay, so based on base 10 blocks, you're doing 4 times, these are a model using base 10 blocks showing 4 times 30. You can have 4 groups of 30 for base 10 blocks. So you have this group of 30. You see that? Because you have, these are 10s, 10, 20, 30. Then this group, I'm sorry, my circling is off. But there are 4 groups there. Okay? I'm probably going to erase that because that does not look very good. Oh, whoa!
You erased your face.
Yeah, that's not what I wanted to do. Okay, but there is 1 group right there, 2, 3, and 4. Okay? 1, 2, 3, and 4. 4 groups of 30. Okay. Now, to find 4 times 30, they're saying you can combine the 10s and regroup. So, how many 10s makes 100? Everybody?
10.
10 10s makes 100. So they're going to group 10 10s together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So they circled all those 10s. You see that? And they made them now look like a 100. You see how that, now it's like a square. Those squares are 100, okay? So you had 100, but then how many do you have left over? How many 10s do you have left over, guys? 20. 2 10s, which is 20. So what's 100 plus 20?
120.
Okay, so 4 times 30 is?
120.
120. So how many students signed up for dance class altogether?
100.
Okay, so you could do your math like that, showing a picture. So let's try 7 times 40 this time. We'll use a quick picture. Use a quick picture to record your model. Draw a stick for each 10. So instead of drawing, little things that have 10 in each, you're just going to draw a stick. Okay? And then draw a square for 100 because the 100 thing is a square. The 10s are like a stick, right? Okay. So they're drawing the stick for you. Step 1. Model blank groups of blank. How many groups are we going to do? How many groups are there? 7 groups of
40.
40. 7 groups of 40. Okay, so look here. They have, I'm going to just show what they did right over here on the side. Okay, so remember, 1 stick equals 10, right?
Yes.
Okay, we want 7 sticks of 40. So we're going to have 7 rows basically. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That's 70 sticks, okay? But we want 40 sticks in each row. So in this row I need 4 sticks. In this row I need 4 sticks. In this row I need 4 sticks. And I need to keep doing 4 sticks. That's what they're showing right here, okay? Alright, so now I have 7 rows of 40. Okay? So that's what they're showing right here. Right here, that's where it's showing 7 rows of 40. Now, combine the 10s and regroup. Okay, so I know this is going down as 7. So I'm just going to go down 7, and I'm going to circle 3 more because I know 3 plus 7 is 10. Okay? That's one group of 10, so that is 100. Okay? I'm going to actually make it go down to that. Okay? Now, let's see, can we group another 10, you think?
Yes.
Okay, let's do it again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So all this is another group. That equals another 100. So far I have 200s, right? Okay, let's see if we can make another one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Can we make another 10?
No.
No. So we made, and they're not actually making 10s. We made what?
100.
We made 2 100s. So we have 2 100s, and then we have 8 10s left. Okay? So that's 28 10s. So that is 2 100s, and how many 10s we say?
8.
Okay. So 2 100s equals how much? 200.
200.
And then 8 10s is how much?
80.
So 100 plus 80 is how much?
200.
I'm sorry, let me ask that question again. 200 plus 80 is what?
280.
280. I'm sorry, I said 100 plus 80. I meant 200 plus 80. Okay, turn to your next page, please. All right, now this time we're going to use place value to regroup. They want you to do 90 times 50. They have 9 rows of 50, okay? That's the model that they did. So think about this. 90 times 0 ones. Okay, so this is how you multiply it with a 2-digit number when you stack them, okay? So when you do 50 times 9, you know how when we add or subtract, we do this row first?
Yeah.
Okay, we do that too in multiplication, okay? But it's a little different for the second step. So you do 9 times 0 for the first one. What is 9 times 0, guys?
0.
0. Okay, so they're saying 9 times 0 is how many ones? 0 ones. Okay. Here is the tricky part. Step 2. You multiply the 10s. Okay. You have to multiply. This is how multiplication is different than addition. You're not done with this bottom 9. You have to do 9 times 5 now. You did 9 times 0 and put it right there in the ones place. Now it's 9 times 5.
Okay.
Okay? Now, what is 9 times 5, guys?
45.
Okay, so you have 45 10s. So we're going to regroup these 10s. How many 10s were there? How many's in the 10s place? Well, okay. First we had 45 10s. We're going to regroup the 10s into how many hundreds are there? 400s, and then how many 10s? 5. Now, what was our answer again?
450.
450. Okay, give me some kind of 10s, multiple of 10. Anybody? Give me multiple 10. Count. That means 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. 70. Okay, somebody give me a ones number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Cooper? 9. Okay. All right, we're practicing real quick. We are multiplying 70 times 9. What do I do first?
Oh.
Everybody?
Multiply the 0 and
You do 9 times 0. And what is 9 times 0, guys?
0.
Okay. See that? What's my second step then, guys? Now what do I do? Now I do 9 times 7. What is 9 times 7, guys?
63.
63. So what's 70 times 9?
630.
Okay, one more practice. One more practice. Give me a tens number. Multiple of 10. Tyson? 20. Give me a ones digit. 5. What's my first step? One person. What's my first step? Gander.
0 times 5.
0 times 5, which is what? Nope.
Oh,
0. Now, what's my second step, Tyson? 5 times 2. What is 5 times 2, guys?
10.
What is 20 times 5?
100.
Does this help with multiplying by multiples of 10 now?
Yeah.
Okay. We're going to start doing share and show.